Hello, my fabulous viewers, and welcome back to this session of tarot reading. Now, this is a general love reading for the sign of Aquarius. This is from 1st to 15th of October, and this is for Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus if you know astrology. Now, this is a reading which may or may not resonate with all of you. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest, and don't try to fit in the reading. Now, in this reading, I'm going to tell you about your past, present, and near future, your challenge, and your advice. So, without further delay, let's start Aquarius. What do we have for Aquarius Collective, my love team? Okay, Aquarius, this is your recent past. This is your present. This is your near future. This is your challenge. And this is your advice. Okay, Aquarius. Now, in the recent past, you have the lovers in the reverse. Now, lovers in the reverse denotes like you had a very, close relationship with someone. You had a lot of chemistry, lot of love for this person, and but it was a fallout. You both parted each other, or this relationship became negative. ये relationship बहुत negative हो गई थी, इसलिए आप लोगों ने एक दूसरे से अलग होने का फैसला लिया. दिस इज शोइंग द रिसेंट पास्ट. नाउ इन द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट यू गॉट द एम्परर. सो विद द एम्परर आई फील दैट आपने यू हैव टेकन बैक योर पावर. यू हैव टेकन बैक, आपने अपना पावर वापस ले लिया. यानी कि आप ज़्यादा इस पर नहीं सोच रहे हैं कि आपका रिलेशनशिप ख़त्म हो गया. एंड यू आर योर ओन बॉस. यू आर टेकिंग डिसीजंस फॉर योर ओन स्टेबिलिटी. सो द एम्परर कार्ड also shows stability. So you are in your power. Now you could be dealing with the lovers, with Aries, with Gemini as well. Lovers is Gemini energy. So this is what it is showing me. And Emperor is also someone in your life who is a guide to you. Maybe your father, your husband, any man who is important in your life. Now, what do you see in the near future? In the near future, you have the Magician. Now, Magician is someone who exactly knows what he wants, and they know how to do it, how to get what they want. They are manifesting something. We will clarify and see. And this person is very talented. They know what they want. How they can do it. They also have their own personal power to make things successful for themselves. So we will clarify and see. Now, what do you have in your challenge position? Challenge position, you have the Nine of Pentacles in the reverse. Nine of Pentacles in the reverse is someone like वो जो डिपेंडेंट है. इट इज टॉक्स अबाउट को डिपेंडेंसी. सो ये चैलेंज आप किसी पे डिपेंडेंट है. मे बी यू आर डिपेंडेंट फॉर मनी, मे बी यू आर डिपेंडेंट फॉर पार्टनरशिप, इमोशनल डिपेंडेंस, कैन बी एनीथिंग. सो ये चैलेंज पोजिशन में आ रहा है दैट यू हैव टू हाउ टू बिकम इंडिपेंडेंट, हाउ टू बी ऑन योर ओन. नाउ व्हाट इज द एडवाइस? द एडवाइस इज क्वीन ऑफ पेंटिकल्स इन द रिवर्स. Now, Queen of Pentacle in the reverse. Queen of Pentacle talks about stability. Queen of Pentacle talks about your taking care of your own self. अपने को अपने ऊपर ध्यान दें, अपने वर्क, अपने मनी, अपनी हेल्थ, उस पर ध्यान दें. So this is the advice that you should take care of your own self. You should. I think Aquarius, the whole reading is about stability. पूरी reading stability के बारे में, आपकी खुद की stability, आप अपनी लाइफ में कैसा फील कर सकते हैं. तो आपकी एडवाइस यही है कि आप how to be stable. Now, what you don't see coming at the bottom of the deck is the King of Cups in the reverse. So maybe you're dealing with a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. ये person शायद emotionally available ना हो, which you don't see coming. This person is, or maybe you don't have emotions for someone. Ten of Wands, you are coming to the end of a very difficult cycle. You are you are unburdening yourself. अपने burdens को उतार रहे हैं आप. But you are in some sort of mental jail. You are thinking a lot. What to do, how to get. You feeling trapped. आपको डर भी लग रहा है कि आप अपने आप independent कैसे होंगे. So this is what it is showing me at the bottom of the deck. So now let's start clarifying. First of all, I'll clarify the lovers in the reverse. Please clarify the lovers in the reverse for the sign of Aquarius. See, the sign is not important. You could be dealing with the Aries, you could be dealing with the Gemini, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. But it is the energy which matters. So please give me the clarification for lovers, please, my love team. Okay. Now see, the lovers is clarified by the Five of Cups, by the Magician in the reverse, and by the Knight of Cups in the reverse. And you also have Magician in the near future. So this cannot be a coincidence. ये coincidence नहीं हो सकता है. Now ऐसा है Aquarius, आपका किसी से बहुत ही क्लोज रिलेशनशिप था, मगर यू आर वेरी सैड क्योंकि ये रिलेशनशिप शायद टूट गया. एंड समबडी इज़ नॉट इमोशनली अवेलेबल, या आपके लिए भी, उसके आपके अंदर भी हो सकता है उसके लिए इमोशंस ख़त्म हो गए हो. एंड you are feeling out of control. This situation is out of control from you. And with the King of Cups also in the reverse, it shows that somebody is emotionally available, although there is an opportunity for love. आप लव क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. तो somebody I think wants to manifest love, but in the recent past there was lot of sadness. Now you see this person, there are 2 cups here and there are 3 cups like this. So this means that you still have hope. 2 of cups, 2 people, you have 2 choices or 2 roads, but this person is only concentrating on these 3 cups. So this is what is telling me that this is what happened in the near future. Now let's see what's happening in the present moment for Aquarius. They are focusing on stability. You people, they are means you people, Aquarians are focusing on their own stability. So let's see what's there for what's the clarification for Emperor, my love team. Yeah. Now see, you have the Empress, you have the 2 of Cups, and you have the Sun in the reverse. So I feel Aquarius that you are concentrating on your stability, on your own growth and expansion. With the Empress, this means that you are concentrating on your beauty, on your looks, on your own abundance. Although there is lack of love, आप दोनों के बीच, maybe you don't have any relationship with this person. You are very sad. You know Sun. Now Sun is the happiest card in the deck. Now Sun is in the reverse. That means जब Sun नहीं होता तो we don't feel the warmth, we don't feel the glow. So there is some sort of warmth lacking in your life. So you are trying to ignore on this. You are trying to concentrate on your growth. You are trying to concentrate on your energy. Now see this. ये देखिए, this is the Emperor and this is the Empress. Now these are the divine counterparts. यानी ये एक power couple है. You know, this is the highest in the tarot deck. This is a power couple. But something has happened where the relationship is broken, and you are trying to come out of this kind of disappointment. You are not able to start something new. You are not able to enjoy yourself. This is what it is telling me in the present moment. Now let's see what's happening in the near future. You have the Magician. My love team, Magician, please clarify the Magician, because we also have this in the recent past. What is this Magician all about in the recent past for the Aquarius? What is Aquarius trying to manifest? What are the Aquarians manifesting? Okay, Aquarius. So now your Magician, this Magician in the near future, it is clarified by the Star in the reverse, by the Wheel of Fortune in the reverse, and by the Page of Swords in the reverse. And you can see the Temperance coming at the bottom of the deck. So what you are manifesting, Aquarians, is that you are manifesting patience. You are waiting for the right time. You are single. You want to focus on your own self, but you require healing. You need to ask yourself that what is not working in your life. आपको पूछने की ज़रूरत है कि आपकी लाइफ में कौन सी कमी है. ऐसा क्या चीज़ है. Because presently I think with the Wheel of Fortune in the reverse का मतलब ये है कि there is something which is not working in your favor. There is something, कोई ऐसी बात है जो आपके फेवर में नहीं जा रही. टाइम आपके साथ नहीं है. टाइम आपका साथ नहीं दे रहा है. That's why you are waiting for the right time. You are trying to manifest the right time to take action. This is what it is telling me in the near future. In the near future. Now let's clarify your challenge, which is the which is your nine of Pentacles. Challenge is the Nine of Pentacles, independence. So your challenge is that you want to communicate with someone. You want to communicate. You want to come out of this toxicity. मतलब कोई चीज़ ऐसी चीज़ आपकी लाइफ में है जो नेगेटिव है. Could be your own habits, or the other person has got negative patterns. So you want to communicate, and you want to be independent, but your challenge is to take a decision, to take a call, to take a final decision. Judgment in the reverse. You have to take a call that what you want to do. Like you are very dependent on someone. So how to become independent? How to stand on your own 2 feet? How to be happy in your own space? That is what your challenge is. Because somebody is left. Somebody has left, abandoned you, or you have abandoned someone. Yeah, you don't want to take any risk. So you should be in your power. You are trying to be in your own power. Now let's see your advice. What's there in the advice for our Aquarians? The advice is the Queen of Pentacles in the reverse. So we will clarify and see. Let's see what your advice is. What is the advice? Please give me, my love team. What is the advice for Aquarius? Yeah. Okay, Aquarius. So your advice is the Strength, the Nine of Cups in the reverse, and the Ace of Swords. So your advice, your advice, Aquarius, is that you need clarity. You should be clear. You should be clear what you want. You should be clear कि आपको क्या चीज़ खुश रखती है. What makes you happy? What keeps you happy? You should not depend on others to give your happiness. This is the correct guidance. That you should not be dependent on others to make you happy, or always depending for maybe something or the other on some other people or someone. You have to have your own inner strength, your own personal power. You can overcome any obstacle, but you have to leave this habit of depending on other people to decide for you. You should take your own decisions. You should be clear. With the Ace of Swords, you should be clear what you want, how things can make you happy. So this is what I have for you, Aquarius, for the next 15 days. So I hope you like the reading. Please give a like button. Hit the like button if you like my content. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.